What is going on, YouTube? It's Pop Lofa coming at you with another video. And today we're here in Vegas. And dude, look at the wonderful scenery. It's very nice and everything. Alright guys, well it's actually very hot right now. And it's very windy. So let's go inside. Well, I apologize for any of the noises or the movements. I totally forgot my tripod today. But today we're going to be making chicken nuggets. So we got all our ingredients right here. We got the chicken breast right here. Flour, garlic, paprika, pepper, egg, salt, powdered sugar for our cooking oil. Boom, right there. So guys, but the difference between this one is we got a special ingredient. Ghost pepper powder. That's what we're going to be adding to this thing. Now keep in mind, ghost pepper is about 3 times hotter than the habanero. Guys, so for this we're going to be using 2 nice lean breasts. And what we're going to be doing is just cutting into little pieces, little bite-sized pieces. Look at that. Nice little pieces right there. Look at good bite-size. Just about that size. You can even do it a little smaller, however you guys would want to do it yourselves. That's all up to you. A nice big chunky size. Okay guys, so the chicken's been marinating right now for a good 6 hours now. You know, the longer you put it in, the more tender it comes out. Now our special ingredient. Ghost pepper. Now this thing, give it a good whiff. Get a good taste. No. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Look at that. Let's get this thing a try. So you could add, oh man, just a cup of, I can't even think right now. A cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh man, just to add like a little bit of sweetness to it, and then kind of come down the heat. Or half a tablespoon of paprika, just a little bit. Oh god. Okay. That stuff is no joke. That stuff hit my ass right now. Oh man. And the tablespoon of garlic. Oh, didn't cut it. Good. Okay, that's in there. That's good. Pepper. This is the next day. I'm gonna add at least a teaspoon of this crap. Dude, just to smell. Maybe just a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this thing. Man, this stuff's already making my nose run just smelling it. I'm gonna, oh screw it. I'm gonna double dip this thing. Double dip that, double coat it. And then, okay. Put it in here. Oh, is this thing even on? Oh, good. Oops. Oh well. We'll make sure to always have that thing going. Okay. Look at that. Oh yeah. There we go. That's actually pretty good.
Is it actually? It's not hot?
Not hot at all.
Is it hot, Mom? No. Think you need to put more Pop.
Okay, we're spicing it up just a bit more. Guys, so I put about 2 times more of that ghost pepper powder. Here goes the try. I added a little bit more this time. This is the third chicken nugget, and this has a lot more than what we put in originally. So let's give it a shot. Okay guys, so like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you thought of the video. I am still in pain. My stomach, oh my god. Bathroom wasn't fun. But like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys have something to send to me to test out or for me to cook, let me know. Comment down, and I'll see you guys next time.